Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about short tricks for AOD, means application of derivative. Okay, so let's start with question. Our first question is, if xy is equal to a square and s is given b square x plus c square y, okay, where a b c are constants, then the minimum value of s. So we have to find the minimum value of s, and we know that in case of minimum and maximum value, means for finding the minimum and maximum value we can apply am is greater than equal to gm. Okay, so we will apply here am is greater than equal to gm. What is called am? Am is actually in arithmetic progression means means arithmetic mean. Okay, so if we have two numbers like a or b, okay, and we want to find arithmetic mean, so what is arithmetic mean here? What will be the arithmetic mean of a and b? So we let a plus b by 2, like average. If we have three numbers a b c, so what will do? A plus b plus c by 3. Okay, arithmetic mean is same as like means average. Okay, and second thing, what is geometric mean? Actually geometric means gm means geometric mean. Okay, so if we have two number and we want to find geometric mean, so what we'll do, we'll take product of this a into b whole raised to the power 1 by 2. Okay, if we have three numbers like abc, so what we'll do, same as it is we'll do. Okay, so a into b into c, okay, whole raised to the power 1 by 3. Why? Because three numbers are there, a b c, so we'll take product and power will be 1 upon 3. Two numbers is there, so a into b whole raised to the power 1 by 2. Okay, same as it is here. If in case of arithmetic mean, if two numbers are there, so we let a plus b by 2. In case of three numbers, a plus b plus c by 3, means here three numbers are there, so total number will divide by total number. How many numbers are there? 1 2 3, so 3. Two numbers are there, a b, so we'll divide by 2. So let's start. So see this here, actually s is given, means b square, we have to find the minimum value of s. So what is s? B square x plus c square y, okay, divide by 2. Why? Because two numbers are there, no? B square x one number and this one is second, so two number, like average greater than equal to gm. Gm means product of these numbers, so b square x into c square y, okay, whole raised to the power 1 by 2. Okay, so see this, what is the next step? B square plus c square is given s, so I am writing here s, or s by 2 is greater than equal to, this one is b square x, okay, into c square y. We can write in this way square root, okay, because power is 1 by 2. Okay, so we can cross multiply. If you cross multiply, then you will get 2 into root under b square c square and x into y, so we'll get xy. And what is the value in question? Actually it is given xy equals a square, so we can put here, instead of xy we can put a square. Okay, so we'll get here s is greater than equal to 2 into root under a square b square or c square, so we can say abc whole square, okay, and root square root of this. So finally we will get 2 into, what is the value of this? If you solve, then you will get abc. Okay, so s is greater than equal to 2abc. So what is the minimum value of s? 2abc. I hope you are getting this. Okay, so our C option is correct option. Okay, so let's move to the next question. Okay, so our next question is, if p and q are positive real number, okay, such that p square plus q square equals 1, condition is given, p square plus q square equals 1, then the maximum value of p plus q. Okay, so we have to find the maximum value of p plus q. Okay, and condition is given, p square plus q square equals 1. So actually this question has been asked in JEE 2007, JEE Main 2007. Okay, so let's start what we'll do in this type of questions. Actually p square plus q square equals 1, it is given. Okay, so we can write in this way, p square plus q square equals 1. So what we can put here instead of p or q? So if you put here, put p equals sine theta, okay, and q equals cos theta. So we'll satisfy here. See this na, if you put here p square is equals sin theta, so you will get here sin square theta, here cos square theta equals 1. We know that this one sin square theta plus cos theta equal 1. Okay, so we are getting here p equals, when we are putting p equals sin theta or q equals cos theta, then we are this equation is satisfying. Okay, so we have to find the maximum value of p plus q. So what is p plus q? P, after that we will get here p plus q, means sin theta, p is sin theta and q is cos theta. So we have to find the maximum value. Okay, maximum value of this. So we know that we have already studied in trigonometry ratios, means for finding the maximum and minimum value of a sin theta plus b cos theta. Okay, so what is the maximum value? Root under a square plus b square. Okay, and minimum value is root under minus of root under a square plus b square. Okay, so this is the minimum value and this is the maximum value. Okay, so similarly we want to find the maximum value of sin theta and cos theta. So what is the maximum value of this? Root under a square, means what is the coefficient of sin theta? 1, so 1 square, plus what is the coefficient of cos theta? 1, so 1 square. Okay, so maximum value is root 2. I hope you are getting this. Okay, so it's very easy. Okay, actually we have to think here, means p square plus q square equals 1. Okay, so instead of p you can put sin theta, instead of q equals you can put cos theta. Okay, otherwise you can do in another method in this way, p square plus q square equals 1 and sin square theta plus cos square theta equals 1. So we know that you can compare, okay, these two equation. Okay, so you will get p equals sin theta or q equals cos theta. After that in this way you can solve. Okay, so maximum value of p plus q means sin theta plus cos theta equals root 2. Okay, so option D is correct. Okay, so let's